How to fix Microsoft Teams images not loading. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, right click on your display and click on Display Settings. After you're in Display Settings, you'll find Scale and Layout. Select Recommended Scale for your device. After you've done that, close the tab. Click on the search bar at the bottom left and then search Teams. Right click on Microsoft Teams and then click on App Setting. After you click on App Settings in here, it will lead you to Microsoft Teams page. Simply scroll down, you'll find Reset option. Click on Reset. After you do that, see if your problem fixes. If not, you can uninstall the device, uninstall the app, and then reinstall it again. This is how to fix Microsoft Teams images not loading. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.